Welcome back to Financial Issues. I'm Dan Celia. It's great to be here. 844-707-5533. You can cue your call. But right now, we have a special guest that I'm anxious to ask a few questions of and talk to. Larry Montgomery. He is the Director of Membership and Development for Christian Community Credit Union. Larry, welcome.
Thank you, Dan.
It's great to have you, Larry. I've got a couple questions, but before I do that, just give us a quick rundown of where the new CEO is.
We are very, very excited to have Doug Martinez as our new president and CEO. He brings in a lot of valuable past history in management, and our board interviewed him, and they found him to be the very best selection for our organization.
I'm sure I'll have him on the air here shortly in the next couple of months. We're letting the dust settle a little bit.
Yes, Dan. We have such a phenomenal board that loves the Lord. I'm sure we have a fantastic future.
Yeah, great.
By the way, our growth rate looks like the chart of a space shuttle taking off. It's been phenomenal.
That's great. Yeah, it is amazing when you look at it. And 60 years of honoring God, that's what that chart looks like. It looks like an organization that for 60 years has been honoring God. And God has blessed your ministry in an enormous way. And you continue to see that. It really is exciting when you look at that. Why should people do their banking at a credit union?
Well, there's quite a difference between a credit union and a bank. A credit union is a not-for-profit institution that gives the same financial services as a bank.
Right.
But with a credit union, you become a member, you actually become a part owner of that credit union. And that's one of the biggest difference right there.
And because it's a nonprofit, because it's owned partially by its members, you guys are free to do some things and maybe give 0.25%, 0.8% more on CDs, lower interest rates on loans. Hold those loans in-house, not have to sell them. Members benefit a great deal from that, even though a lot of that benefit they can't actually see, but I know are there.
Sure. People ask me all the time, they say, how is it you guys can pay such a higher interest rate than my local bank? There are several reasons. Stockholders in a company and directors actually make a lot of money. Our directors at our credit union are volunteers. That's how we can save quite a bit of money.
You serve in every state in the country now.
Yes, that's right. We are really blessed with the organization of credit unions. We belong to the co-op, which means you can have an account with Christian Community Credit Union. We are located in California, but you can make your deposits and withdrawals because we share our computers only, not our business. Your money always stays at Christian Community.
And I did get an email from a guy that thanked me for this. He said, I started a business last year. I don't have time to go to the bank.
Sure.
And he can get up on a Saturday morning and make his deposit, or at 8 o'clock at night when he gets a check. I've talked to people that have done car loans with you and refinanced their mortgage. You have a credit card program that gives to missions worldwide, which is a wonderful, wonderful thing. You guys have given $2 million.
Oh, we're over $4.5 million now giving to missions.
Oh, my word. Holy mackerel, that's great.
We like to say, the more you look at us, the better we get, Dan.
Yeah, it is true. You guys have been a blessing to so many of our partners and our listeners, our viewers here, because I get emails every day from people. And sometimes I get an email just saying, thank you. We're so grateful. So we thank you. Thank you, Larry, so much. We appreciate the work you guys are doing, and we appreciate you partnering with us as well. Thank you.